Hi everyone. This is just a simple process thing on like you get inspection light on Vauxhall Astras, Corsas, Vectras, the older models, the earlier models, maybe the later ones as well. Now with the insp light on the dash there where the speedo is, when it comes on just the insp, that means there's service due on it. But if you get the insp number 2 written next to it, that means there's a bulb failure. As soon as you've fix the bulb, that should reset itself. With the insp3 remote control battery, change the battery, that should sort itself out. And then with number 4, water and diesel filter, so that means you need to somehow get the diesel filter replaced and get that fixed. And now with resetting the system on most of the cars, you'll have this button here, right? You press and hold the button for like a few seconds, you know, the insp light would start flashing and then you'll have 4 dotted lines. That's for the insp, the first one, which is the 0, for the service. But for the other 3, you gotta manually do the work, get the bulb changed, it should reset itself. Or the insp3, get the remote battery changed, it should reset itself, reprogram itself. And then if you get the insp4, which is water and diesel for diesel cars only, get a diesel filter replaced, that should fix itself up as well. That's all you got to do on the Corsas, the Astras, mainly the Vectra. So that's it. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.